everyone, what's up? I hope you guys are great. I'm doing great, if you must know. So last class we learned the song Chaka Chaka. I hope you guys have practiced it, learned your words, because don't forget, practice makes perfect. And I hope your choreography is in place. If you're still struggling with something, please do let me know what you're struggling with in the comment section so I can help you out. For people who have just joined our Bollywood series here on the SIFF Young Artist YouTube channel, my name is Sneha Kapoor, and today we're going to be learning a really fun choreography to the song Dholida from the movie Gangubai. Today we're going to have a little Garba feel to the choreography. There's going to be like a lot of up and down bouncing with your body. Also, like in my other videos, I've always promised you a bonus pro tip, and so I'm going to give you a little tip after this video as well. So stay with me, learn the choreography with me if you want that bonus pro tip. Also, a small reminder, guys, while I'm teaching the choreography, if you need more time to go through the steps, you can always pull that cursor back, review the step again, and then perform it with me to music when we do it to music. Yeah, so don't forget, if you need to go at a slower pace, just remember to pull that cursor back so that you can feel confident and learn the choreography at your own pace. Also, now we're going to take a look at the choreography so you have an idea of what you're going to be learning today. So here it is. Wasn't that a fun choreography? I hope you're excited and I hope you like it. So now let's jump right into it and start learning it together. So starting with our first 8 counts, we're going to start on our right side using our right leg and our right hand. Our right leg is going to step towards the right side. As we do that, our right hand is going to draw a full circle starting from your left side and ending on your right. So we're going 1. On 2, we're going to do the same thing on our left side going towards our left. 2. Now while I do this, notice that I'm shifting my weight from right to left. So my weight has gone to the right, my weight has gone to the left. So that's 1, 2. On 3, 4, we're going to go back to our right side, but we're going to just sway, taking our right hand from inside along our body, stretching it outside. So 3, repeating the same thing on the left side on 4. So just these 4 counts together, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, 6, 7, 8, we're first going to take both our hands up and we're going to make a flower design with our hands that looks like this, and we're going to cross it on 5. On 6, we're just going to open it up, holding something with our middle finger and index finger against our thumb. So it looks like this. On the next count, we're going to open up into flower again, and then we're going to close again on the 4th count. So we're going 5, 6, 7, 8. So this whole pattern looks like this with counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to repeat this pattern again once, so we're going to do it twice. The first time we do it, we're going to face our back towards the audience. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the second set we're going to face the audience, so we're going to directly go to our right side on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we've done it with counts, let's try it to music together. Moving on to our next 8 counts, we're going to start traveling slightly forward. Starting with your right leg, you want to put your right leg in front. As you tap your right leg in front, I want you guys to hit outwards with your right hip. You can also, as an option, instead of hitting, you can give me a roll going outwards with your right leg. On your second count, you're going to pick up your left leg, step forward, and give me another hit or roll with your left hip. So we're going 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now along with our hip movement, we're going to add some hands. So I need you to close your fists and like you say, oh my God, touching your forehead. You're going to touch your forehead and take your hand away from your forehead. Touch your forehead, take it away. So now when we move forward with our right leg, your left hand is going to go on your forehead, going 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, from here we're going to take one more small step forward with our right leg. As we do that, we're going to crisscross our hands from in front and open it up diagonally outwards. And then from there, we're going to take our right leg going backwards. We're going to reverse it. Reverse your crisscross with your hands as well and take it backwards. So in a flow, it will go 5, 6, 7, 8. Now notice how my body has a little bounce. I'm getting that bounce because I'm transferring my weight onto my right leg and then all the way back when I step back. So I've shifted my weight forward and pushed my hips forward. And when I go back, I take my weight back and push my hips back. So when you do it to the side, this is how it looks. You go 1 and 2. So you notice how I'm using my hips to get that little bounce. So we're going to do the whole step with counts together, going 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we've done this together, let's try it with music. Moving on to our next 8 counts. First, I'm going to walk you through the hands. You're going to have your left hand on your hip. Your right hand you're going to place in front of you like this. So from the side, this is how it looks. Okay, now we're going to go forward, back, forward and back. So just notice only my elbows. It's going to go upward, down, upward and down. Now we're going to add our feet to it. So we're first going to face forward with our right leg going 1. From here we're going to turn over our left shoulder and do the same hand movement, taking our right leg, stepping towards the back and your hand goes up. We do this again on 3 and we repeat it on 4. So basically from the side, if you were to watch me, this is how it looks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so with counts 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, now we're going to try this to music together. Moving on to our next 8 counts, we have ended here. Now we're going to go towards our right side, both our hands going upwards like you're praying to God. So you're going to go right leg forward. So you're going to go 1. Now when I do 1, I'm pushing my hips forward so I get that little bounce like I told you earlier. So you're going 1. On 2, your hands in a motion come down in front of you and only your right hand will hit your right shoulder while your right leg goes towards the left side. Okay, so it goes like this, 1, 2. Now from here you're going to finish that turn. So you're going to face your back to your audience and finish here on 3 and then you're going to take this back on 4. So I want you to just focus on my feet for a second. We're going right forward, right forward, right forward, right back. Our hands are going to go up, side, side, back. Okay, now let's try these 8 counts to music together. Moving on to our next 8 counts. We've just finished 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. The transition from here is my right leg is back. We're going to turn and face forward and tap in the front with our right leg. Only look at your legs for now. 1 and 2 tap left and jump, tap right and jump, tap left and jump, tap right and jump, tap left. Now with this, our hands are going to go, bending your hands as we did in this step before. Same movement except you're going to come in and in and in and in. So when you do this, imagine that your right hand wants to come towards your left shoulder. Tap, go out, tap, go out, tap your shoulder out, tap your shoulder out. Okay, so we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try this much to music. Moving on to our next section of choreography, which is the hook step that all of y'all have seen going viral. We're going to learn it together. So we're going to face diagonally towards the left. On one, we're going to flick our left foot up and flex our foot so we can tap it with our right hand. So we're going 1, 2, you're going to flick your left foot towards your audience and stay there. So we're going 1, 2. Now on 3, we're going to place our left foot down towards the back. You're going to transfer your weight onto your left foot to kick towards the back. Place your foot down and clap on top and clap below. So let me just show that to you once. We're going 1, 2, 3, clap, clap. Okay, one more time with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, clap, clap. And this hook step comes twice. So now let's try this to music together. Moving on to our next 8 counts of choreography. I'm sure you all have done some Garba. If you've not, no problem, because we're going to learn some today right now. We're going to clap our hands. Take your left hand up, take your right hand back. So it looks like this, 1 and 2. Okay, so left goes up, right goes up. Now as we do that, we're going to add a little bounce with our body going 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, easy. Now what we're going to do is we're going to travel forward 2 steps, travel back 2 steps, doing the exact same thing. Starting with your right leg going forward, 1, 2. Go back, 4. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to try this to music together. Moving on to our last segment, we're going to start with our left leg going outwards towards the left side. On 1, on and you're going to tap in the center so your right leg can go out to the right side and tap again. Repeat that one more time, bringing your right leg in, tap on your left side. Okay, so we're going to counts 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, now our hands are going to go outwards, starting with your left. Tap your right shoulder. As it goes out, bring your right hand in, tap your left shoulder, take it out, tap your right, and right hand taps your left shoulder. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we're going to try this to music together. Like I promised you all before, here's your bonus pro tip. So while performing this choreography, you want to remember to keep your knees soft. So you want to not lock them, but just bend them slightly. And you also want to keep this bouncy feeling throughout the choreography so that you get really close to the style of this choreography. I had so much fun teaching you this choreography today, guys. I hope you had equal amount of fun with me. Here on SIFF Young Artist, the vibe is really fun, along with it being chilled out. At the same time, we want to see you grow with your dancing, so we are going to pay attention to the nitty-gritties and the technicalities of the dance. So don't forget, practice makes perfect. So practice the choreography, upload a video. Don't forget to tag us so that I can personally see your video. If I like it, I'll give you a shout out for sure as encouragement. And if there's something that you're struggling with, I'll reach out to you and let you know what you can do better. So don't forget to tell all your friends to like, share, definitely subscribe to us, and also hit that bell icon if you want to be the first one to know on all our updates and all the releases of our new choreographies. Also, I want to give you a little heads up. In our next lesson, we're going to be doing the song Tabahi by the artist Badshah. So I'm pretty sure all the youngsters out there, I'm pretty sure you love Bad Boy Badshah. So we're going to do his recent song, which is a rager, and I'm already excited to meet you at our next lesson so we can learn that choreography together. So till then, keep dancing because anybody can dance, and I will see you back here at SIFF Young Artist, where we nurture the artist in you.